Good morning! Vlog. Wow, wala tayong paglalagyan.
43 minutes.
43 minutes? 12:30 pa tayo makakarating dun.
12:19.
12:19.
Ibang day para pumunta ng Tagaytay. Kasi kahit malapit tayo sa Tagaytay at yung free day natin, Saturday, Sunday lang.
The traffic! But we're going on a date. So, sometimes, we try as often as possible to go on dates na kaming dalawa lang. May mga times na hindi talaga siya nagiging successful dahil nga humahabol yung mga bata. Today is a successful day, hopefully. So, we're going to Tagaytay for a date.
Maybe 39 minutes.
Yun! Okay.
From 42 to 39.
Big diff. We made it to the restaurant after ilang minutes, love?
39.
39 minutes.
Pero alam mo, bebe,
Ano ba?
itong Farmer's Table, this is not a paid promotion. Palagi daw blockbuster dito sa restaurant na to. Tinan mo, it's a Tuesday right now,
Yes.
and there are a lot of cars.
So, mukhang masarap siyang lugar. I'm excited to try it because want to actually try this place while at work. Anong show mo nun na?
Farm to Table.
On GMA?
Oo.
It's called Farm to Table?
Oo.
Oh.
Show
So-
ni Chef JR.
Yeah, so he was here for work and then he was like, ang sarap ng food. So, dinala niya ako dito so I can also try the good food. Okay, let's go.
I was just a stranger. Another unfamiliar face. If I had only
Fresh air.
Date din minsan.
was just
What do we have here?
What's that? What is that? What is that? The
A
flower.
mistletoe.
That's not a mistletoe.
Ay,
Is that Ano ba yun lang? Accessible naman yung kiss ko anytime. Hindi kailangan ng mistletoe. Ay, oo nga, ano. Cute! My bucket hat. Oh, that's cool. Oh, we should get one for Pia. Ano yung fun fact mo?
yung Cavite, maraming mga masarap na beans na po-produce dito. Hindi lang namin napapansin kasi taga dito kami. So, syempre, ang gusto ng mga tao, yung wala dito sa paligid nila, di ba? 4 years na tayo dito, bakit isang beses pa lang tayo nakapag-EK?
Oy, hindi. 2 beses.
2 beses pa lang tayo nakapag-EK. Bakit hindi everyday, di ba?
3 beses pala, 3. Kasama yung team.
Ba't di everyday? Kung nandito lang tayo.
15 minutes away lang.
see the smile on your face. Makes the hard times okay. Anytime you're near.
We're gonna have lunch first. Goodbye. Bye.
And I don't mind my love. Every dream
I am very proud to be recommending this
Because you tried it na.
because I tried it.
Okay.
It's mango sticky rice, but in the form of a sushi.
Okay, go. Eat.
It's you that's supposed to eat. I already know.
Okay.
I don't mind, no, I don't mind my love.
Sarap ng chocolate.
1:58 p.m.
Meron kasi kaming meeting ng 2 p.m. na nakalimutan namin. Buti na lang, nag-message si Ate Rona. Thank you, Ate Rona. Magde-date pa rin kami, pero makikinig naman kami sa meeting. Let's go. Running shoes. Ooh, shades, baba. Gym bros na kasi kami ngayon ni Wancho. Hey, you're done. Hindi na ako nag-video, pero
Budol.
nasa running era kasi kami ngayon. Actually, fitness era. Matagal na naman kaming nasa fitness era. Na-stop lang na nagka-babies kami and because of the pandemic. But now we're back. So, hindi na kasya sa amin yung mga small at extra small. Well, for me, I used to wear smaller, extra small for my workout clothes. But now, hindi na kasya. So, Bumili na ako ng bag. We're done. That is it, pansit for our date. Hindi ko alam kung may sense tong vlog na to, pero
Date yan. Date vlog.
date vlog. Yun lang. Nag-lunch lang kami. Konting chika. Actually, yung pinaka-importanting part ng dates namin is actually the travel. Going to places, because that's really the chance that we get to talk and catch up with each other before we enjoy eating or going shopping like we just did. Yung conversations talaga in the car. I don't know if you guys can relate.
Yep.
Let me know in the comments below kung parehas kayo na yung chika sa kotse talaga yung pinaka-importante. But we've been away from the babies now for a whopping 3 hours. At hinahanap na kami.
Tama na.
Tama na daw tong kalokohan namin.
Okay na yun.
Oo. Merong phase ngayon si Eliam. So, I introduce concepts to our children, right? So, I would say things like, oh, it's Mama and Eliam time, meaning it's our date time. Or it's Mama and Aggie time, meaning it's my special time with Aggie. And in the morning, I would go like, oh, it's Mama and Dada time. And ano sinasabi sa'yo ng anak mo? No, I don't like Mama and Dada time.
Yeah. I don't like Mama and Dada time. It's Mama, Dada, and Eliam time.
To which Juancho would respond, but that's how you were made! Mama and Dada time. Mama and Dada time. Down and out. It's time to go home to the babies. See you next time. Say bye, vlog.
Bye!
Bye!
I've been talking about getting out of town.